Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how I make my Taboli salad. I love this stuff. I'm almost kind of addicted to it. And I chop some onions up. It calls for green onions, but I just use some regular sweet Valdea white onions. Throw that in the bowl. Then I take a sweet bell pepper. The orange one gives it some color, and I kind of like that. And I just kind of slice that up. Found an extra seed there. And I just kind of chop that up a little bit. And then we put that in the bowl also. I think you're really going to like this if you decide to get some. Now, one thing I just started adding was some black olives. Clever way of cutting up black olives, if you get them whole in a can like this, that's an egg slicer. I just take some, and I didn't put the whole can in. I used about maybe half. And then I put some shredded carrots in, give it a little bit more color, a little bit more pop, a little bit more crunch. The carrots really maintain their crunchiness. And that here's the star of the show, Taboli. It's from a company in Oklahoma, and cut towards your thumb, not your chum, or vice versa. Anyway, it's Bulgur wheat, and then I take some canned tomatoes. I've used fresh, but when you're in a pinch, canned tomatoes always work out great, and especially if you don't have any. Little black pepper. It calls for salt too, but there's enough salt in the tomatoes. And also, I chop up some cilantro. Gives it a little bit more different, distinct flavor. Everybody into the pool. Everybody in there. Then, extra virgin olive oil. I think it calls for about 1/3 of a cup, this recipe on the bag. And then a 1/2 cup of lemon juice. Gotta shake it up good. And that goes in the pool also. Give it a good mix. And actually, there was an ingredient that I usually put in that I forgot. And that was some seedless cucumbers, mini cucumbers. And that thing and there they are. So I kind of I had to find a bigger bowl because it was growing. After I put the seedless cucumbers in, I threw a couple in there, sliced them up. So there you go. Hope you enjoy it. It is really good. It's a good summertime recipe. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.